Well, hi there pluckers, I was Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a really nice song from a band called Caamp, and it's the title song from their latest album called By and By. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key that the band do it in, which is the key of A. So without more ado, I'm going to go through the very simple intro, a couple of verses and a chorus, and then I'm going to jump a verse and a chorus and go to the middle 8 section, or the bridge section, and which is followed by another couple of verses and a chorus to finish. So you'll have all the parts of the song you need to play it. Okay, I shall break it all down for you then, and you'll be good to go with it. Okay, singing as usual will be for reference only. Okay, so let's get to it. Here we go. Driving through West Virginia, and I've seldom been thinner, with that chip on my shoulder, and this past year I've got so much older. Time, and I wish I had more time listening to you speak your mind. Now I'm thinking about her every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a life force? Thinking about her every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a life force? And it's so easy to be blinded by the light, to feel the lonely night, and it's blowing in the breeze, babe. I got dust in my eyes and the rust in my mind. I'll be home come next spring, won't you say you love me later by and by. Looking back over my life, spent the most of it tongue-tied, pulling my belt tight. It's just me and the stars tonight, 2 fingers and a tight line, keep my head above the outline. Just wish I had more time listening to her speak her mind. Thinking about her every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a life force? Thinking about her every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a life force? Thinking about her every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a life force? Thinking about her every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a life force? There you go. Right, so let's break it down for you. Right, introduction, very simple, just a straightforward A chord, okay? That's the intro, okay? So straightforward A chord there for the intro, and the actual verse and the chorus is basically 4 chords, or it's 5 chords, but it's basically this A, E, F sharp minor, which is a 2nd fret bar chord, with the 4th fret of the A string, the 5th string, and the 4th string, the D string, fretted. Or you can play a simple version, just fret the first 3 strings, 2nd fret with your 1st finger, and then cover or fret the 5th string and the 4th string on the 4th fret. Followed by a D for half the measure of the D, and then the second half of the measure of the D, you just take that top finger, 2nd finger off the top E string. So D D with the top E string open, so it's a D with an added ninth. Okay, so that's the sequence of the chords for both the verse and the chorus. Okay, so let's just go through a verse slowly for you, and all the verses play the same. Okay, so I'll just do the intro and then we'll go into it. Okay, I'll do it slowly. Here we go. Driving through E with Winger, F sharp minor, and I've seldom been D added 9, with a chip on my shoulder, F sharp minor, and this past year D I got older, D added 9. Straight for the instrumental bit, no singing. Second verse, looking back on my life, spent the most of it untied, and I wish I had more time listening to you speak your mind. Now we go into the chorus, which is exactly the same chord sequence. Okay, now I'm thinking about her every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a life force? Thinking about her every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a life force? Got it? So the chorus is the same sequence as the verse. Okay, so let's do the whole thing up to the end of the chorus, and then I'll show you the only thing that's missing is the middle section, middle 8. Bridge section, call it what you like. Okay, so intro, then we'll do 2 verses. Well, so there's a verse, and then there's a sequence of chords without any singing, then the second verse, and then we'll do a chorus, and then I'll teach you the bridge section. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Driving through West Virginia, and I've seldom been thinner, with that chip on my shoulder. This past year I got so much older. Right, verse 2. Looking back over my life, spent the most of it untied, and I wish I had more time listening to you speak your mind. Now I'm thinking about her every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a life force? Thinking about her every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you life force? Okay, so there we have it. That's 90% of the song sorted. Then we go into this middle section. So when you come out of that, are you a life force? You go into B minor. B minor bar chord, 2nd fret, bar, minor shape, B minor. Or you can play a simple B minor, just 2nd fret, top E string, 1st finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 2nd finger, and then the 4th fret of the 4th string and 3rd string with your 2 fingers. Okay, simple B minor, or you can play the B minor bar chord. Okay, so coming out of that end of the chorus, or a chorus, the second chorus, you come to that D added 9, and then you go to B minor, and it's so easy to be a, blinded by the light, to feel F sharp minor. It's the same chords, different sequence. Okay, for the lonely night, back to B minor, and it's B minor, blowing in the E breeze, babe. I got A, dust in my eyes, and F sharp minor, rust in my mind. I'll be stop on B minor. home come next spring, won't you? E, it's a single strum. Say you'll love me later by an A strum. Okay, so let's just go through that again very slowly. It's coming out of the chorus where it goes, are you alive, fools? Be minor. And it's so easy to be blinded by the light, to feel lonely in the night, and it's blowing in the breeze, babe. I got dust in my eyes and rust in my mind. I'll be home come next spring, won't you say you love me later by and by. And we're off into another verse, or two verses, and then a chorus, and that's how it finishes. Okay, so let's just come. I'll just do the another verse. I'll do the second. What I'll do, and I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do the third verse, which we haven't done yet, which leads into the middle eight. Okay, so coming out of a previous chorus. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll do the third verse and the second chorus, and then go into the middle eight. That's it. Then we've done everything. Okay. So coming into the third verse. So drinking coffee black as I am. Okay. Drinking coffee black as I am. I couldn't be much higher without falling out of my chair. I've been so numb for so many years. Now I'm thinking about her every day on my mind a typical way. Are you alive, fools? Thinking about her every day on my mind a typical way. Are you alive, fools? Right, middle eight. And it's so easy to be blinded by the light, to feel lonely in the night, and it's blowing in the breeze, babe. I got dust in my eyes and rust in my mind. I'll be home come next spring, won't you say you love me later by and by. Last verse, looking back over my life, spent most of my return time pulling my bed tight. It's just me and the stars tonight. And so on, you get the idea, don't you? And it goes into another chorus, and the song finishes. Okay, so there you have it. You have all the parts now. So just as a final thing, we'll go right way through it. All the way from the intro. We'll do the intro, the first two verses with the instrumental bit in between, a chorus, the middle eight, a verse and a chorus. Okay, the complete cycle, shall we say, so you've covered everything. Okay, so we go. Driving through West Virginia, and I've seldom been thinner, with that chip on my shoulder. And this past year I got so much older. Instrumental bit. Second verse. Looking back over my life, spent the most of it untied, and I wish I had more time listening to you speak your mind. Chorus, now I'm thinking about her every day on my mind a typical way. Are you alive, fools? Thinking about her every day on my mind a typical way. Are you alive, fools? Middle eight. And it's so easy to be blinded by the light, feel lonely in the night, and it's blowing in the breeze, babe. I got dust in my eyes and rust in my mind. Oh, babe, come next spring, won't you say you love me later, by and by? Looking back over my life, spent the most all this time. Pulling my belt tight, it's just me and the stars tonight. 2 fingers and a tight line, keep my head above the alpine. Just what I hear all the time, listening to us speak of the night. Chorus, thinking about her every day, on my mind I took away. Are you a lamppost? I'm thinking about her every day, on my mind I took away. Are you a lamppost? And there you have it. Hopefully that'll help you play that song. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.